Hi everyone, here we've got LG K22 and let me share with you how to manage the Talkback mode on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, so let's do it, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom actually and tap on accessibility, which is right here. Now let's tap on the Talkback, and now before turning on this mode, just customize it. So let's enter the settings, and as you can see here, we've got actually quite a lot of settings which we can customize. So for example, we can decide if you'd like to speak the passwords or if you want to feel the vibration feedback after tapping or something. And now those options are active. If you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switch right here, and from now on, for example, you won't feel the vibration feedback. Let me leave it like this. What's more, here we've got the gestures option. Let's find it and tap on it, and as you can see here, you can decide what you want to do after swiping up, down, left, right, up and down. Actually a lot of options which we can customize, so simply tap on it, and for example here you can scroll forward after swiping right. So of course it's really up to you how you want to set it, so just have fun with this section, and let me leave it like this. And now let me show you how to turn on the Talkback. Simply tap on the switcher right here. Now your device is telling you that the Talkback needs to have full control of your device, so it has to view and perform the screen and to view and perform the actions. So let's tap on allow. And after that, you should hear the Talkback, the feedback actually from your device. And if you will open and activate the Talkback for the very first time, your device will open the tutorial, and of course you will be able to go through it and learn how to use this mode. But now I will show you the shortcut of it in case that you, for example, accidentally turned on the Talkback and you have no idea what you have to do in order to choose something. So first of all, let's begin with actually choosing something or entering the option, because we can do it the same way. All you have to do right now is simply tap on the option you'd like to use, for example this back button. You'll see a green frame around it, and of course hear the feedback from your device, and then double tap. And as you can see, we are in the accessibility settings. So let me get back to the general settings, which are right here, and now I can show you how to swipe, and you can do it by using 2 fingers. Just like that. It's quite easy in this device, or you can do it this way, but it's quite tricky, as you can see, because you can misclick something, and in my opinion the very first option is much easier. So actually here we've got the basics of the navigation in the Talkback mode. So now I can show you how to turn it off. All you have to do is simply find the accessibility again, tap on it, double tap on the Talkback, double tap, and tap on the switcher. Double tap, tap on stop, and double tap. And as you can hear, the Talkback is off. So actually that's all. This is how to enable the Talkback mode in your LG K22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.